Ón am bannaíoch an Stát, bhí an tionchar ag gnéithe éagsúla don chóras Dlí héal na mban.
Níor aithníodh éagnú leistigh don bósa.
Ní rá ban in ann gnéis a héine óna bhar chéile, bhí sé sin mar chuid den fósa agus ní féidir leat fricciúnta úsáid, caithí tú leanamh a bhreath má bhíonn tú turach.
Nowadays, a lot of younger women just wouldn't believe that you had to leave your employment when you got married.
Dóibh siúd a bhí a gobar ní raibh choramíocht pá. Féar fad a bhí dúra. Tá sé docurete, bhí bhain dósanis.
Bhí an bhean a cailín túach gacha in bhela.
Scéalta na mban na réid go cróga chun cearta agus cóananas a chur chun cí.
My name is Lavinia Kerwick, the first person to give up their anonymity in a rape case.
The laundries are far from a thing of the past. There are women today who are still in institutionalized settings under the control of religious orders.
I don't think we'd have our system of civil legal aid if it wasn't for Joe Ciari.
Well, I knew myself that there was something wrong with the law, and I said there must be some place where there's justice.